In previous video, we have seen theorem of interior angles. Now we see the theorem of corresponding angle and theorem of alternate angle. So, theorem of corresponding angle statement is given. I have written on this blackboard. The corresponding angle formed by transversal and two parallel lines are equal measure. तो क्या कहना है, यदि करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल कैसे बनते हैं, वन ट्रांसवर्सल एंड टू पैरेलल लाइन हैविंग इक्वल मेजर. वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस. गिवन इज व्हाट? गिवन टू लाइन्स पैरेलल एंड वन इज ट्रांसवर्सल. गिवन पार्ट लाइन एल एंड एम आर पैरेलल एंड एन इज द ट्रांसवर्सल. And we have to prove corresponding angles equal. When equal, what is the condition for equal angle? Two lines must be parallel and transversal. Then only corresponding angle equal. So for this proof, we use previous theorem of interior angles. What we have seen? The sum of interior angles is 180 degree, means interior angles are supplementary. We have seen in previous video. Let this I take C. A and C are linear pair, and linear pair angle sum of linear pair is 180 degree. लीनियर पेयर सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं. क्या है? एंगल ए प्लस एंगल सी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. Why? Because reason is linear pair angles. Again, using interior angle test, interior angle theorem that we have proved in previous video. What we interior angles are? B and C. B and C are interior angles formed by one side of transversal and two parallel lines. So B and C, addition of B and C is 180 degree. Again, suppose this is one. Angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Interior angle theorem. Interior angles. We use that theorem because we have proved that theorem. From 1 and 2, both are 180 degree. This sum is 180 degree. This sum is also 180 degree. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can write angle A plus C equal to angle B plus C. From 1 and 2, angle A plus C equal to angle B plus angle C. From 1 and 2, because both sum is 180 degree. Both sum is 180 degree. A plus C 180 and B plus C also 180. Therefore, both left sides are equal. Then C cancel. Angle C cancel. What we get? Angle A equal to angle B. Hence proved. This interior angle test, and A plus C equal to B plus C. Angle C cancel. We get angle A equal to angle B. Hence proved. This is corresponding angle theorem. Now we see alternate angle theorem. ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है इसमें. corresponding angle की जगह क्या लिखना है? alternate angles. Alternate angles. The alternate angles formed by transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. Alternate angles. Take this C, this side. We have to prove B equal to C. What we have to prove? B equal to C. Angle B equal to angle C. ये हमें प्रूव करना है ना? यहाँ ले लेते हैं हम ये, यहाँ क्या ले लेते हैं ये. Suppose we are given A plus B is 180 degree and B plus C is A plus B is 180 degree and A plus C also 180, because this is linear pair. A and C are linear pair, A and B are interior angles. Therefore, this sum is also 180 degree and this sum is also 180 degree. By equating these two, we get a required result. So, we go in this direction. We have to prove B equal to C. Angle A plus C equal to 180 degree. Right. Linear pair angle. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree. And angle A plus B. Angle A plus angle B. This is interior angles. Angle A plus angle B. Therefore, angle A plus angle C equal to angle A plus angle B. Plus angle B. ये cancel. ये cancel. We get angle B equal to angle C. In this way, we can prove second theorem also. In both theorems, we have used interior angle theorem. Okay. Now we see practice set 2.1. practice set 2.1 देखते हैं.